Today's video is going to go over some vocabulary words for numbers up to 1,000. So let's go ahead and take a look at those vocabulary words now. The first vocabulary word, we got two-digit number, which is a number with a tens digit and a ones digit, such as 43 here. Three-digit number is a number with a hundreds digit and a tens digit and a ones digit, such as 432 here. Break up, split or divide into pieces or parts, such as a number or an object. For example, we can break up 156 as 100 plus 50 plus 6, or 150 plus 6. Compose, to look at every place value position in a number. For example, we've got 200 plus 40 plus 2 equals 242. And the direct opposite of that would be decompose. And that's to look at every place value position in a number and then break up the number into different parts. Okay, so this is what decompose looks like here with these two examples. For the part to whole model, we got 345 showing 340 and 5. For the bar model, we've got 345 showing 340 and 5. Digit is a symbol for a number, and these numbers shown here are all just a digit. They're a number, and that's another way to say it, is calling it a digit. Estimate is a guess. For example, estimate how many there are without counting each one. So looking at all these leaves, you're just going to make a guess or an estimate of how many there are without actually counting them. Even, any number that we can divide exactly by 2, in which the last digit is, for example, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Fifth, position number 5 in a sport, row, set of objects, or pattern. So here, as you can see, this is the fifth shape here, the square, and all the other ones represent the other numbers in their order. This is also called ordinal numbers, which I'll have a video about, and you'll be able to watch that. Hundreds, plural for 100, used in place value. For example, 200 equals 2 times 100's digits. Multiple, a number that can be divided equally. 3 and 4 are multiples of 12 because 3 times 4 equals 12. Odd, any number that cannot be divided exactly by 2, of which the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Ones, numbers up to 9, show the ones place value, and all these numbers here all represent the ones. Second, comes after first, or unit of time. For example, 60 seconds equals 1 minute. And again, these are ordinal numbers, and I have a video that you can watch that explains more specifically about this. Sixth, position number 6 in a sport, row, set of objects, or pattern. Basically, in this order here, the sixth one comes after the fifth. Tens, the place value that shows a number multiplied by 10. Here you can see this example is showing that there are 2 tens and no ones. Third, comes after second. As you can see here, the person standing here is obviously the third tallest person in the group. So I just wanted to show some examples of vocabulary words of numbers up to 1,000. And again, I got an ordinals video out that explains that part more specifically, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.